This is our project today. The problem with it, the water pump is leaking. So we're gonna go ahead and find out how bad the water pump is and determine whether or not if we can fix it before we throw it away. Do my water lines, and after that I just put a plastic bag inside the drainer, so just prevent anything from getting in there. That's the first thing you do. And then of course, if you want to back it up, you unplug your washer first thing. If you want to combine both together, so that's the first thing we do in total. Unplug, then disconnect. Then after that, you go ahead and go to the next process. So now, what we're trying to do right now is, anyway, what we did, we flipped the appliance as far as the washer on its side. You can flip it whatever side, but because you want to see the bottom, and this is your water pump right here, okay? So we can tell where you can see the residue of the water. So now the reason why we're doing this is we want to make sure that water is not coming from anywhere else but. So now we're gonna go ahead and take the sides off. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take the screw, that screw off, and go ahead and take the other side off. And the other side over here is a clip, and the same thing with over there, just a clip. So once we take those two screws off, then we're just gonna take the whole control board as far as the head off. Then we're gonna go ahead and take the cover off so we can have a better view when we flip it on the side, whichever side, so we can get a better view at the bottom, so we can work on the water pump. So once you have that control board out of the way, then you got this clip. So with those clip, all you have to do is pop the clip, and you do the other side same way, insert a screwdriver and just pop it. So pretty much this is what we're dealing with. So we took the cover off and we're looking at it very closely. You can see how the water dripping. And again, pour some water inside the tank and see how bad it's leaking. Here we go. So by doing that, we can see how bad. I'm trying to see if it's coming from the shaft. we can see exactly where the water is actually coming from. It's coming exactly from the shaft. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do, see those old clips? We just go ahead and unclip the top, unclip the bottom, and unclip that, take that clip off, take the top off, so we can get the hose out of the way and just pull the water pump out away from the shaft. So of course, that's your bottom hose, and that's your top water connector hose. So of course you're gonna have a lot of some leftover water from the line. So that's the reason why we have water on the floor like that. The shaft from the pump, which is the pump from the from the motor from the machine, where the shaft goes in it. So this is where our lick is coming from. So the seal from inside the pump itself, that spend time with that. So I'm just gonna go ahead, purchase a new one, and go ahead change it.